Every pair of jeans begins here. Raw fibers start their long journey. All roads lead to production. Where raw cotton becomes denim. Fibers are aligned for strength.
Twist creates durability. Prepared for color. Indigo defines denim.
Color is locked in.
Threads meet precision.
Denim takes shape.
Quality begins early.
Precision reduces waste.
Hands bring structure.
Strength at stress points.
Character is created.
Comfort is refined. Comfort is refined. Only the best move forward.
Identity is added.
Prepared for shipment. Awaiting delivery.
Ready for the world. Thousands of steps, one product.
And this is how modern factories produce jeans from start to finish.